So I'm out here driving and I actually had to pull off onto the side of the road because I just can't make sense of what I'm seeing here. It's around 9:15 p.m. on December 21st, 2024, and I actually didn't start recording right away. I had to find a spot to safely pull off onto the side of the road first, but before I started recording, I saw maybe 6 to 10 of these objects fly by and slowly disappear into the night sky in roughly the same location. I need to get off the road, so I'm going to try to find a better spot to park and see if I can get some better shots of what we're looking at here. Alright, so I'm parked and out of my vehicle now, and just to give some context, I am facing north, and these objects appear to be traveling west. And I also don't hear anything from these like you would with an airplane or a helicopter. I just don't hear any sounds coming from these objects. So I do want to apologize for the recording quality. This is on my smartphone and it's at night, so I'm sure it's not the best quality, but I'll see if I can get some more stable shots here in a little bit. So what do you guys think these are? Do you think it's somehow related to all these drone sightings that everyone's seen lately? I don't know what these are. And here comes some more. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop recording here in a minute because it is pretty cold outside, and I also don't see any more of these coming at the moment. But like I mentioned earlier, please let me know what you think these are down in the comments below. And as always, please feel free to like and subscribe because that really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and take care.